thing went straight down. Wow. Man, did you see that?
Yes.
How many shots did it take? And you're using open sights and you got him?
Yeah.
Man, you dropped that baby. Holy cow.
Ow, that hurt my shoulder.
What?
That hurt my shoulder.
Man, can you believe it?
No, you're just walking up here.
I told you.
I got a good shot.
I told you would. Man, that dude, he went straight down to the ground.
Good thing you didn't leave.
I see it. See, it's Billy. You shot the biggest one. That was the biggest one of all.
That's my third one.
Did it hurt your shoulder?
Yeah, man, it hurts my finger. It did.
Yeah. Man, I can't believe one shot and you dropped him. One shot was all it took. I can't wait to see where you shot him at. I didn't even get to shoot one, did I? See it? So, okay, tell me what your name is.
Will Craig.
How old are you?
7.
And what did you just do?
I shot a deer.
What kind of deer?
It is a doe.
And how many shots did it take?
It only took one.
And did it drop it?
Yeah.
And do you know what the date is today? November 20.
First,
What year?
2009.
Awesome. I want to play with you. His name is Will. He's my big boy. He just shot another deer and he dropped it. And I didn't even have to help at all, did I? Good shot, bud. Can you believe it?
It's right there. I got it. Right there.
Is that the good spot? It dropped right down, didn't it? Man, you must have been aiming perfect, Will. Were you aiming perfect?
Yeah, I was aiming like right there.
Man, you got it, that bullet went right where you put it. Man, oh man.
That thing, it doesn't explode in blood.
I know. That was a good shot. That's a big old doe, isn't it?
Yeah. Was that the biggest one?
Yeah, it was the biggest. You picked the right one, didn't you? There's like, what, was there 5 of them coming?
I think 3, yeah.
4 maybe. This one and 3 more? Wow. Well, I know one thing, you're my big boy, aren't you? I wonder if I can see the stand from here. Tree stand.
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
There it is. Yeah, it's far away, isn't it? And that's where you were at.
Video.
Well, it happened so fast, I didn't want to scare the deer. I know, I wish I was videoing when you shot, because that thing dropped right down. I can't believe it. What do you think Papa and Grandpa's gonna think? I'll show them, won't we? All right. Should we go get our stuff and go get the golf cart? Get this baby loaded up?